Hey guys, welcome to Full-Time Trader, the show where we talk about stock tips, stock news, and stocks to trade. And in this episode, I'm actually going to talk about a cryptocurrency that is making the world go nuts. Everybody know this one. It's DOGE. I'm sorry if I'm misspelling it, but for this video, I'm going to call it DOGE. Basically, Dogecoin this year is up 7,000%, which is incredible. I actually, back in the time, invested in Dogecoin. And the reason that I invested in this coin because on Robinhood, the cryptocurrencies that you're able to trade are Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Doge is one of them. So I know that Robinhood is a platform that a lot of beginner traders use, and a lot of them like to just buy things with no reason just because they're out there. So if it's a cryptocurrency that's out on Robinhood, and it's one of the only cryptocurrencies on Robinhood, I knew that it has potential for the future. But at the same time, I invested it with an amount that I'm okay to lose. And I always talk about like how you shouldn't trade like that. You should always have a plan. But at the same time, I saw a lot of value in the cryptocurrency world. So I knew I wanted to be a part of the cryptocurrencies of the future. And because of Robinhood, I saw Doge as one of the cryptocurrencies of the future. So I definitely believe that if Doge is going to continue with the hype that it has right now, that it has a huge potential for the future. And by the way, guys, I want to remind you that this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a full-time trader. That's why the name of this show is Full-Time Trader. And I already talked about Doge on my Twitter account. So I always talk about the stocks that I buy and sell on my Twitter. And I also like to talk about financial news. And we all know that Doge has been very popular. So I did post some of my thoughts on this cryptocurrency. And I made this video because I want to talk about a very interesting article that I read about the market share of Doge. So right now, Doge is at the point where it has a market cap of 46 billion, which is bigger than Chipotle. Around 100 people control most of that 46 billion. Actually, according to statistics, around 65% of all Doge coins is going across about 98 wallets. And some investors even look at it in a way that it's a big scam where a lot of people hold the market share of those Doge coins, and then they basically sell their profits and dump the coin. So hearing those statistics can be kind of concerning, especially for people that have a lot of their holdings on that coin. And I mean, in the end, it makes a lot of sense. If most of the market cap of Dogecoin is owned by 100 people, there is a potential of a big drop in price once those investors cash out. But at the same time, just like I explained in the beginning of the video, you should always trade any cryptocurrency or stock with a plan, and you should have a plan when you trade Dogecoin. This article is more to prepare us that there is a fear that the Doge bubble is going to burst. But at the same time, if we look back in the past, in the cryptocurrency when it broke out and Bitcoin actually reached $20,000, about that area, it was 19,000 and something. It actually then crashed all the way down to 3,200 levels. And then from then it went all the way up to $60,000. So if Doge continues with the hype that it has right now, no matter if people eventually dump it, it still has a huge potential for the future, especially if it stays on the Robinhood platform. Also, we see that now the cryptocurrency market is doing better because of interest in the cryptocurrency market. So there is a huge future for the cryptocurrency market. The question is always where, which coin is the next one. So a lot of investors and analysts right now are warning about the bubble of Doge. My personal opinion, Doge is a great investment. I'm going to keep holding it and I'm going to wait. Because if you look at the past, Bitcoin was in the same numbers that Doge is right now. And Bitcoin is at $60,000. Now, I'm not saying that in 10 years, Doge will reach $60,000, but it has the potential to get to similar levels, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. So that's why I'm going to hold the Doge coin that I have. I have it with amounts that I'm comfortable with holding no matter what. Just want to give it time and see how much it's going to grow. And just like I said, my recommendation to you is if you're interested in Dogecoin, always trade it with a plan and be prepared for everything. Because just like the analysts are saying, the bubble can burst anytime. So in my opinion, all the time when cryptocurrencies and stocks go up and they become overbought, they always have more potential of cutting half in price than doubling. But at the same time, it can cut in half in price, but it can break that price again and create new highs after that. Because when stocks and cryptocurrencies go up, they don't just go up, they go up, they go down, and then they create new highs, they create new lows. So that's why I'm going to hold my Doge. And I hope this video helped you guys that are interested in the cryptocurrency. I want to say thank you for watching the video. And until the next one, guys, peace out.